everyone, I am Ceciliata and this is the News Chronicle TV. Did you know there are 23 persons on the football pitch? Yes, my fellow football lovers, you heard me right. I know some of you think that I am crazy. I know we have 10 outfield players, which includes the forwards, the midfielders, the defenders, plus one goalkeeper, making it 22 as you already know. But where did you guys fling the referee to? Yeah, I got it right there. Did you know that Kofar Mata Dye Pit in Kano is home to Africa's oldest dye pit? This 526 tie and dye pit is established in 1498, which makes it even older than Kano, the oldest person to have ever lived. The method and skill involved in this tie and dye process is ancient and has been passed down from generation to generation. Although there are 144 pits, sadly 20 of them are functional. It is believed that the dye solution is medicinal because of the ingredients used, and these include indigo twig plants, ash from bone firewood, and potassium. Yes, hope you know now. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Bye till I come your way again.